Hello, my name is Luka Manojlovic. I'm head of IT at Gostol, and today I will present Smart Bakery Line, our digital product. Today I would like to show you Smart Bakery Line, our digital product from TP Food Group. And if you join us at smartbakeryline.com, you can also try our live demo. Here is a demo which presents a bakery that has 3 lines: Demo 1, Demo 2, and Demo 3. I will just go to Demo 1 for a brief overview of current lots that are going on. So if I scroll down, I can load even more lots that were already done on this line. And if I go back up, I can also click on the machines that are available on this line. By seeing the current lot that is in progress, I can check every couple of seconds. I see the lights going on, so we can see that pieces are coming out of the production. If I click on a divider, for example, I can see the important data regarding the divider and also some graphic representation of mass from past hour. Then I can switch to proofer and see which fermentation time we had, what was the temperature and the humidity. Again, for last 24 hours, the same for temperature as a humidity. Then if we jump to the oven, we can here see interesting graphs regarding separate temperature monitors that are inside the oven. And we can also see the baking time, if we are using steam or not, and so on. As we are having not only Gostol devices, but also devices from our colleagues from the group, we can also show the spiral that is made in Technopool, where we can see the proofing time again, the speed, and pieces per hour that are processed on the spiral. Basically, Smart Bakery Line can get data from any kind of machine that has OPC-WA interface exposed. Then we can switch from this main dashboard to energy parameters, where we can see the gas or electricity consumption. Of course, these graphs will be populated based on the energy meters that are implemented on the line. So I will just now switch to the Demo 2 line, where we have also electricity available as a data. So having here energy meters in our electrical cabinets, we can also represent the energy consumption in kilowatt hours and also cubic meters of gas. And also we have the information how much mass was done on the divider. Then we have alarms and warnings, where we can see which piece of our hardware had most alarms, and we can also by this detect where is the problem by frequency or by duration. And if we scroll down, we can see also the alarms timeline, so we can detect at on which time something happened on our line. If we scroll more down, we can see the recent alarms. So they are basically here represented, the latest alarms that were detected. Or we can also load more alarms to see what were alarms that were previously detected on the line. Then we have equipment status. That is giving us information about how machine were working, and we have the machine state for all states. Then we have for auto, so when the machine were in the automatic mode, when they were stopped, or they were in the manual state. And also if they had some errors. Again, this can be represented by frequency or by duration. So we can directly examine how much time, for example, each machine was in an error state. All this data can be represented, you can see here, for last 24 hours, also for a larger time frame. Then next topic is cameras. So we can integrate your surveillance cameras directly into the portal, so you can have it immediately accessible directly from the portal. And the last thing here is the maintenance part. Well, we have all machines available on the line, then we have the machines sorted by the type, like transporter, processing, cassettes, and bread. And for each machine, we have three main activities that we can do. First of all is to check the manuals. So for each machine that is present on the line, we can click on the manual and walk through the manual that is presented for this type of machine. The second thing is to go to maintenance. So we can see already some tasks that should be done on the machine based on the, let's say, time that machine was working, or maybe it's a weekly task or daily task that should be done, like cleaning and something like that. We can check what is the activity that should be performed to the machine. And when we do it, we can click on mark complete and complete the task. So by doing so, we can have an overview of tasks that were performed on the machine to have it up and running and in the best shape. And the third thing are tickets. So I will just click on tickets on this machine, and we can see the tickets listed here. And we can also open a new one and define a subject, the priority, the problem type, and then attach also files like photographs or a video regarding the problem, and just simply create the ticket. Thank you very much for your attention, and hope to see you soon. Try our demo online.